mo rí wípé ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà ó ti dàrú mọ́ yín lójú ẹ̀ mọ́ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ọ̀nà àbáyọ kan ṣoṣo tí ẹ ní méjì péré ni. Tàbá lè rí nǹkan tí ẹ lè ṣe tí ìbò ní fi wáyé tó máa pín Nàìjíríà, ó máa dá gan. Tí kò bá dẹ̀ sí nǹkan tí ẹ lè ṣe sí, anybody tó bá wọlé àdéhùn wa ni wípé ó fẹ́ bá wa pín Nàìjíríà ni, a ò ṣe mọ́. A ti pọ̀ jù ní òrùlé kan tí a wà. Èmi tó ń bá yín sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ fún yín ọ̀nà àbáyọ àwọn kan tí a ti experience ní DSS fẹ́ gbé ìgbà tí wọn ò níṣẹ́ lápá, ìgbà tí sẹ́ ọ̀ka wọn lára, ìgbà tí wọn ò mọ nǹkan tó kàn, ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé ìwé òfò òun ni gbogbo yín kà, tó jẹ́ pé ka ìwé ọ̀ka pọlọ. Stupid people with stupid knowledge. Nigeria can be defined as a group of graduate people with empty knowledge that control stupid people that they don't know their right. That is Nigeria. I come again. Nigeria can be defined as a group of graduate people with empty knowledge that control stupid people that they don't know their right. That is Nigeria for you. Ní ìlú tó lọ́ba tó ní ìjòyè, àwọn banlele wọ báǹkì, wọ́n lọ ń fọ́gi mọ́ra wọn lórí níbẹ̀. Àwọn ọmọ ìlú jáde wá, wọ́n mú òkò, wọ́n sọ lu báǹkì. Ìyàwó ilé torí pé kò lè jẹun, ó bọ́ra ẹ̀ sí ìhòhò ní báǹkì, ó bọ́ aṣọ ẹ̀ sílẹ̀, ó bọ́ra ẹ̀ sí ìhòhò. Àwa ń sọ bí gbogbo ẹ̀ máa ṣe dá. Olórí burúkú kan tí ara bá padà nù, ó wá sọ pé DSS ń bọ̀, ara máa fọ́ ojú ẹni. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ orí burúkú tí ẹ fi ń oppress àwọn ènìyàn láti sọ òtítọ́ nìyẹn. Ṣé èèyàn máa ń kú ẹ̀ méjì ni? Ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo ń sọ lọ́wọ́ yìí, ó kan Buhari, ó kan Tinubu, ó kan DSS, ó kan sójà, ó kan Navy, ó kan anybody. Àwọn ọmọ DSS máa wà láàrin ìlú, àwọn ìyàwó wọn máa wà láàrin ìlú. DSS máa ti lọ tò sí ìdí ATM báyìí kó lè rí 2,000 naira. Àbí DSS ò lọ tò sórí láì. Sọ orí kan tó fojú sójà rí ní Uniben. Ṣé yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀? Ṣé ẹ rí pé Nàìjíríà ti ń dàrú? Àwọn asísẹ́ má lérò bàbá ọ̀lẹ, àwọn aláìlọ́pọlọ ènìyàn. Wọ́n ní orí, wọn ò ní nǹkan tó fi ń rò. Makọ ni, ó máa kọ́ everybody. Ṣé ẹ rò pé Nàìjíríà yìí pay sójà ni? Ṣé ẹ rò pé Nàìjíríà yìí ó pay àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ wa ni? So pay student ni ta ló pay? Ṣé ẹ rò pé Nàìjíríà pay Buhari fún ara? You people should go and take time. There is time for everything. Time tá bá fẹ́ sòtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ká bá sòtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀. Time tá bá fẹ́ ṣeré ká ṣeré. Ọwọ́ tí àwa yìí báyìí ojú iná la wà, ojú iná everybody wà. Solution tí mo wá sọ fún yín ni wípé àwọn politician wọ́n tó tiẹ̀ sòfin wípé kó change Naira note. Ìgbà tí Naira note máa dé, àwọn politician ti fowó gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn báǹkì. Ìdí nìyẹn tí wọ́n fi owó pín mọ́. Bí wọ́n ṣe wá fowó gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn báǹkì yìí, àwọn tí wọ́n tún rán pé kó lọ máa mú àwọn politician nínú ilé, wọ́n ń gba bribe. So kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe, àwọn aṣebí ju àwọn tó fẹ́ tún Nàìjíríà ṣe. Naira note tí wọ́n sọ pé kó sẹ́ǹjì tí wá ní Buhari ń ṣe, tó ti wá ló ṣe sọ wípé kí àwọn politician kó má bàa rówó fi oppress àwọn ènìyàn ní ìgbà tó bá fẹ́ dìbò náà ṣe sòfin yẹn. Ní báyìí gbogbo owó ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn politician ló dé sí. Ìdí ni ẹ tẹ́ fi rí lè rówó yẹn níta, ọ̀dọ̀ wọn ló wà. So now báwo la ṣe máa wá ṣe báyìí tí ògiri máa wá di ẹ̀kọ́? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ṣe rèé. You have two options. Either kí ìbò 2023 wọ̀nyí kó wá wáyé, àbí kó wáyé kẹ́ sọ fún president tó bá wọlé wípé hey, we don't need anything from you, just divide Nigeria for us. We are too big for one person to control. we are too big for one person to control. Because ojú ò tó ra, ojú ò tó ra. For example now, kí Buhari gbé contract fẹ́yàn l'Abuja, kẹ́ni ẹ máa gbé ní Port Harcourt. Báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ monitor ẹni yẹn? Kò possible. It's not possible. Báwo lẹ́ni a ti pọ̀ jù? We are too much. That is the key. Bó ṣe ń di ogun díẹ̀ nìyẹn. Bó ṣe ń di ogun lélẹ̀. Ó ti ń lọ díẹ̀ nìyẹn. Àwọn ọmọ ti lọ jókòó sínú báǹkì. Wọ́n ti lọ fọ́ báǹkì. Tó bá pẹ́ mentality àwọ̀ wọn lórí. Ó yá wọ báǹkì kẹ́ lọ máa já báǹkì. Tó bá pẹ́ tí wọ́n bá rí báǹkì já, wọ́n wà àárín ìlú, gbogbo ẹ̀yin olówó ikú pa yín. Wọ́n máa fo fẹ́ǹsì wọlé, gbogbo iná máa dáná sun mọ́lé. Kó má bàa tó level yẹn ni mo ṣe ń bá yín pariwo nísìn wípé you people ẹ jẹ́ kó rí yín pé ó pẹ́ tẹ́ ti ń dìbò. Ìbò pay yín ní Nàìjíríà láti 1960 lẹ ti ń dìbò till today. A ní problem bí a bá ṣe ń dìbò sí la ṣe sórí burúkú sí, a ò ní any improvement kankan ní Nàìjíríà. There is not any improvement. Àwọn NEPA ń sìn wọ́n ní wọn ò múná wá mọ́ rárá. They don't bring any light. Oorun ti fẹ́ lu àwọn èèyàn pa mọ́lé. Why? Kí ló dé? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Why is it supposed to be like that? Why you not bring light? Wọ́n ní àwọn ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ rajà lọ́wọ́ wọn ò gba transfer mọ́. Ṣé fẹ́ bí lu àwọn ènìyàn pa ni? Ṣé fẹ́ bí lu àwọn ènìyàn pa ni? It's not supposed to be like that. If you are do something, if the thing that does not favor you, you will look another way out. Àwọn ènìyàn kì í ṣẹran, àwọn ènìyàn ti jìyà gan. Díẹ̀ mi ti kún pín. Alẹ́ àná mo lọ ń tọrọ bárà lórí Instagram pé káwọn èèyàn fún mi lówó pé mo fẹ́ fún àwọn tó wà ní DM mi. Ọba Àgbáyé jọ̀ọ́, ebi ń pa wá, àti jẹun látàná. Ọba Àgbáyé please, we are feeling hungry. Oba Agbaye, please, you are the only way. Because one more pay mi ló lè bá àwọn èèyàn sọ tí máa gbó lọ́wọ́ tí máa fún wọn lówó. Díẹ̀ mi ti kún àti Facebook o, àti Instagram o, àti WhatsApp o, gbogbo ẹkún pọ́n tó fi béèrè owó lọ́wọ́ mi. For what? Iṣẹ́ wo ni mo ń ṣe? Ìyà jẹ àwọn ènìyàn. People are suffering. And you cannot be suffering like this. You need to find solution. What is the solution? Is to invite all your politicians and ask them questions. What is the way out? Can we divide? Or there is some certain law that is giving us problem. Alagbara lo jẹun gboro in Nigeria. If you don't have connection, you are nothing. If you don't have connection, wàá tò sórí ATM, àgọ́ ẹ máa gan. Wàá tò síwájú báǹkì ò ní rí báǹkì wọ̀. Ibẹ̀ kan la wọ́n lọ ń gbówó bá wọn kan nínú ilé. It's not supposed to be like that. Ṣé àwọn tí ò ní connection ẹ̀ ṣe ẹran ni wọ́n ni? Ṣé wọn kì í ṣènìyàn? Ṣé kì í ṣènìyàn ló bí wọn ni? It's not supposed to be like that. We are human beings. Ta ló lè gbàdúrà nínú ẹ̀yin politician wọ̀nyí? Ta ló lè gbàdúrà nínú yín? Nǹkan tójú àwọn èèyàn rí ní báǹkì lé ní kí ojú àwọn ọmọ yín máa rí ní báǹkì. It's not supposed to be like that. Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ yín wà nílùú òyìnbó. Àwọn family àwọn ìyàwó yín wà nílùú òyìnbó. Ẹ wá kó àwọn ọmọ lọ́mọ sínú ìyà. Ẹ̀yin politician yẹn lọ ronú pìwàdà. Àìjẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ máa fi èpè ba ayé yín jẹ́. Mo máa gbé àfọ̀ṣẹ́jáde máa fi bẹ́ èpè fún gbogbo yín. Torí àwọn tẹ́ ń pa yìí wọn kì í ṣẹran. Àwọn tẹ́ ń pa yìí, they are human beings like you. You have your own children. You have your own wife. You're not supposed to be use your own encyclopedian mentality to spoil another person's mentality. You're not supposed to be like that. Please, I'm begging you in the name of encyclopedian of Holy Center. Mo bẹ̀ yín ni. Ẹ lọ wá àkọsí sọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà ẹ jẹ́ kó rí yín pé, ẹ jẹ́ kó rí yín pé, ẹ jẹ́ kó rí yín pé, ẹ jẹ́ kó rí yín tẹ́lẹ̀. Know what you are doing any moment from now. Know what you are doing. This sufferness is too much for us. We cannot cope again. We cannot cope again. It's too much. You cannot be killing us anyhow. If the government does not pay us again, let's go back to king government. ẹ ká padà sí ti àwọn ọba ló control ayé nígbà ayé àtijọ́ bóyá ká padà sí yẹn because anything about president governor does not pay us in Nigeria. You are oppressing us. You are giving us problem. Why? We have president, we have governor. There is no money, there is no fuel. They transfer our petrol from Nigeria to another country without the consent of Nigeria citizen. How? Are you telling me that Aso Rock is a business for one family or for one caucus? It's not supposed to be like that. Majority is more powerful than minority. Majority is more powerful than minority. But now, minority have turned all the majority to slave in Nigeria. Why? Why is it supposed to be like that? And all of you are a graduate. All of you go to school. All of you have degree. But your degree is nonsense. Because all the graduate that you graduate, all the degree that you have does not have any meaning, does not have any impact in your life. Upon that, they turn all of you to slave. And you tell me that I'm a graduate. I'm a graduate. Stupid. What kind of stupid graduate is that? What type of stupid graduate are you? When you don't know your right. When an illiterate turn a graduate to slave. When illiterate turn a graduate to slave. What is the benefit of your graduate? That your graduate is nonsense. You people need to be taking time. And all of you need to be think your sense. What is the next step? We must vote. If we not vote, they will put their self there. Who are they? Who are they? Who are they? If they put their self there, who are the person that want to go and do policemen for them? Not be our son. Who are the person that want to go and guide them? Not be our children. So you cannot talk to your children that we are come out from these stupid bad people. Let's cooperate with ourselves and fight for our rights. This is how we will be looking, and they will kill all of us. This is how everybody will be looking. Your son, my son, is the one that is guiding them, not their son that is guiding them. Is it Buhari daughter or son that is Buhari policeman? Not be our daughter, not be our children. Why they will be use our children to be threatening us? Why? It's not supposed to be like that. Everybody talk to your children that this is how you will be suffering. This is how your wife will be suffering. This is how your children will be suffering. You will not. You will be guiding stupid people and put your wife, put your children inside slave. That is how you want to be behaving. That is a stupid and heretical mentality. That is a very, very curriculum, vital, bombastic mentality. If a soldier, if a policeman can be guiding people that is turning your children, the future of your children, the future of your wife, the future of your junior brother to slave, it's the same to all of you. I come again. It's the same to a soldier and a policeman. By guiding a person that turning your generation, your children, your future to a slave. We respect people that want to make our future bright. We cannot be respecting a person that want to kill our future. It's not supposed to be like that. If you are respecting people that will kill your children future, that means you are mad. If you are guiding a person that want to turn the future of your children to slave, that means you are a curriculum vitae mad. That means you don't know what you are doing. You need to know what you are doing. They tell me now to go and guide somebody. And I realize that person want to turn my junior brother to slave. He want to turn my auntie to prostitute. He want to turn my children to slave.
My name is Abi. I'm a video director and TV producer of Akomolowe on African Magic. Keep watching Drivetv.
olólùfẹ́ Drivetv àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí Fẹ́mi Sola ẹ máa wo Drivetv. Keep watching Drivetv.
My name is Wole Agba. Taking this time out to tell you all that you keep watching Drivetv. What drive ẹ̀wọ̀ ní ògo ẹ̀? What drive ẹ̀wọ̀ fulfilment? What drive ẹ̀wọ̀ bí tó bá lọ? Ó ní iṣẹ́ rẹ̀. Ibi ni kò máa wò Drivetv. Thank you. Chloe.
Drivetv, driving you around the world.